Mbiamano sana umancho mulia betaseni kia Ndizi TV asogochora egetaseni kiga egetaseni nambe Eyemo imena isiko yorogongorwa Gusii nogasemera kwa nemna kwabere kogotwara oboligereria obuyana boigo sabato engia nemagaro engia nendengo kwaligania ase mesa ya mangana magia lindengo yale terebuna bere kagwa teka kura chingongo chonsi inyechinsi ase enchera yobekirano inyora asinsemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na biga sensemeria YouTube na bagotonyora gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyora gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke Eretaria ne Frida Kerubo na sinsemo chibioro kerelio nigotoko bwatenere Joshua Auta chinga kitoroche abarai gose abagavana na boigo abawaziri bagendete nege ikaro asebonoli asiri tukolia gatatu chinga kibare no muraibwense Dr. William Ruto bagendete kubeka emerobelio ase okoeneki uchumi ya Kenya ngobere ke gwonchereria nabo igo kurwa sorogongo rwa Gusii nigo abarai abesokire nabo igo kobolia gosira chitalanta echo chire ase orogongo rwa Gusii nabo igo omo MCA omanga Samuel Gichana nigo bono aereire amagenderale go chigokora anene mono kurwa ase wodeli ya manga mwancho muligereria ikaransa oike elindengo manye ase nchira yobekirano ngwira nanda segekeke elindengo manye mange. Ingo chaka kegima omwancho muligeni gongo kumanyibuna omo MC omanga Samuel Gichana kurwa ase wodi yonigo aereire emerobeleria bekire anemono ase ogochigwikirani amagendero ase chinsemecho okwana nigo abereka go singerera gokinia sector yechisemi naboigo obwaga chibwe chipara negatia yande amange mariketo job maangi na mange
una amatuko akonya gosuka nigo abarai bare birundo elinde goikerani chira balierete abamenyi asobochori obonene bwaetete kagokwana asege ikaro n'abamenyi bensemo ya Monsore egochoka ewodi ya manga omo MCA bwenseme Samuel Gichana nakwanira egachamagenderero alige chiko bakorera elinde gosira chisemi asensemeyo nateba na chikorwa chi scholarship asaboro kiwa bakorwa chinka chintaka
ntobwata chi scholarship chikorwe gune county chire ikomikere ward abana bari barabataka pi chintaka na babwata maximum ya 330 go chigoro onyamo babwata to kwa keres location abana batatu Eyemo to bae bane
Ensa moyende na ene ke chibasari nchikorwegwa asenchera yobo ene
boso kitole chipasa reforms chifomu ntoteme kwa abana chibese chichieto abana bakogende skuru yanka ibakuruka siringi atutatu ko chiringi 3,000 neri bamenyete imonyo mwana ka national school odete ko mwachi yake ya tribu komi na ababande bali boarding school chinde na abana unotobaga tiaisano kana saba gatiabu
narwa ekuro entindi gochiase bali barakore obokurumi asoko bagokwe nibo yechisemi bunambairerwe egetambokelio egetindi
boso kitole chipasa reforms erianga kimwaga achire obisinga mwae wo mwagora gente kinto atiokerora goto tagete twarosiria committee committee yo tutagete nchegasiane no koba mongera ndolenga kere form ya rurwa sekene omonto gakonie form kimoranje moti moto tebie tomuminyokani nere
nateba na chikwagate chipara elinde kororobya obosombi asensemeyo
magana ya magenda roi para nere mbegete ga chibese kole mwere tabo kimata pare ya skonyi magweta para ne yogango lero ko rostore para ya sen Samuel twabekire na chibese onkorosi were tomane ko ruoro to cha kolengeri pare murakunse ko ete Gusii kanyagitari
ate baba bekire chibesa ensemo choko gendereria enyagitari ya manga negetige chigosori kya manga
na manga na nyagitari manga twabekire chibeso stadium twabekire chibeso otete binte biaro mwakoyo
narwa eira kwagacha ebisima bya mache erinde koeneke buna bamenyi banyorira mache Amayia chinga kichionsi
amangana amache narongo jatole boigo ona jakita mache ikobe narutu ya siara so ebinyoro ime tumana ko cha mache agesure
kurwa se wodi ya manga egotoka ime county Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Mbiamano sana omurikeito Job Maangi asogotwaliganilia oroboti oruo oroikiranu. Kondo mwancho muri atokoire na goika county ya Kisii ni gongo kumanyibuna omo MCA we wodi ya basi boitangare Thomas Obare nigo abagakoerera emerobelio ya serikali ya county ya Kisii yabekire anena mono koene kibuna ngo sirabale chigosoli gokwana nigetaseni kya Ndizi TV nigo agania abaraikuru sorgongo rwa Gusii gosira ebyegwa bichigosoli anene mono ase ebinyoroime elinde gokonya abasaye
ase assembly ya Kisii dede go irali bageri ko baeresa bantu bamintonga ntuetia sports bill ya Kisii county sports bill ya rede tuno mheshimiwa Dennis Ombachi Omarani yeye kuhakikisha ngandu konya tutalo kuza talanta mashinani nande oisokoligelie kare jamhuri de tarehe 12 December president nero ya tatenga through the national government ojitroja ka sports from the grassroots, that is from the ward level chitire yachi progress. We hope that these policy interventions ngochitiro kwanya basaya baito banyare ko grow talent chiabo.
Tinga kiechio oboigoni go aerangi kyagerita kaimuki egetambukiro ase okwarigani chigosoli eliokorwanira egekombe gia Thomas Obare engakiyega Yerusa ekirenga kyaye kenene no gokonya abasae naboigo kubatanga korwa ase obosali.
It was out of my own personal initiative. Yona rochenga December, it was a long holiday. Kubeka abana baito babe busy nande mbasa ko involve in any other activities ngaranga mbiancha ke tournament ilikuwa rocha na ligeta linga Thomas Obare Cup ya attract ya banta bange mono bali no incho monyene nta expected because the catchment ya linga abantu bado from all parts ko ruibe no ko runyamache bagacha kuligeria mopiro ya finals ya lenga alike tikelia nyachuba ngana ya neo mwene linga sports ngonya lele ko toleta amo sports ngonya lele ko keep abantu babe fit na sports buna eleboni currently sports is an earning na benge any career oise ko babuya ine particular sport na benge na ekwelikire gasi
Omaraibense Dr. William Ruto bononigo abolire serikali nene na boigo serikali chi county kobwatrana eliogosira emerobelio ya serikali kolende nigo aboli serikali chi county gosonsora emechando yerabege kwenekigwa anene mono ekero okungusana na kwaberego kwenekigwa gati ya serikali enene na boigo ya serikali ya chi county elinde kwenekibuna amagendero ngokolekanale ase Ensa ya Kenya.
And we can agree as the two levels of government on how we are going to support government programs, government projects, government initiatives at both the county and the national level. As has been explained here by the two leaders of majority, we have also undertaken that the sibling rivalry that has always been between the two houses and the consequent challenges that we've had with legislation of government at the two levels of government will be a thing of the past. Again, you have been introduced to the officers who will be in charge of that exercise, and the Deputy President himself will oversight and make sure that the relations between the national government and the counties is to the best of the working relations that we all anticipate.
Omuraibu abange Kimani Ichungwa bononigo amoire okoboko omuraibense Dr. William Ruto ase engana y'abawaziri goikirana abosibwe bunge elio koiranelia amaboli ningiye kogera bataraikirani amagendero okwana nigo ayene kibuna ichiko ndiyo elirira beli koba egetango ase okoiranelia amabolio ali abalingete.
There is no provision in the Constitution that bars a cabinet secretary from attending the House to answer to questions. Since these questions are intended to assist the House to resolve issues that are of concern to the people, and our key mandate is to address matters that are of concern to the people. Indeed, under Article 165(2)(d) of the Constitution, only the High Court can interpret the Constitution and declare any action unconstitutional. Therefore, you must not be worried by those who are declaring that what you intended was unconstitutional. It's only the High Court that can interpret the Constitution and tell us that the appearance or otherwise of a cabinet secretary before the House is unconstitutional. And in line with that, there is no single judicial determination that has been made on whether attendance by cabinet secretaries before the House violates any written law. There's a question that could be asked, for instance, that question on GMO that would touch on health, that would touch on trade, that would touch on agriculture, and we expect that such cross-cutting questions will be answered by the Prime Cabinet Secretary, and it is expected that, of course, you'll be accompanied by the Cabinet Secretaries in charge of the dockets that the questions relate to, or officers in their respective dockets. And therefore, the Prime Cabinet Secretary may consolidate replies from various ministries on a cross-cutting question and appear before the House as a Cabinet Secretary also to answer to questions that are cross-cutting.
Omunyakirogo bw'abagavana oyiboigo oli omugavana w'e county ya Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru wano nigo ayenekiribuna esegiteyo gati ya serikali enene na boigo elia y'eki county gokwana ase egeikaro ky'abagavana na boigo abawaziri nigo ayenekibuna nigo bagendete kubwaterana ne serikali y'eki county ase okweneki amagendero iminsi itu ya Kenya.
As you have seen, Your Excellencies and senior government officers, there is really no conflict between the national government and the county governments, and we're very clear on what the roles of the national governments are vis-a-vis what our roles are. At the center of the Constitution of Kenya is a devolved system of government. We will achieve faster development when the government at the county level and the national level work together to deliver as one. Let me take this opportunity, Your Excellency, to assure you, and on behalf of the Council, our full support to your government. You have seen all of us are cooperating and working with you, and we look forward to achieving and delivering as one going forward.
Abaiboli nigo baboligwe kulinda abana babo anene mono chinga kichiga chirusa ukwana no director w'eskuru ya Makweni nigo bono aganiriye abaiboli kuimukia egetambukero na bayigo kogorera abana babo ebitabu elinde kogendera kwenyorera kisemi na bayigo gwetanga korwa ase obasali.
It has already completed 3 laboratories, one for general science, another for specialized science. I would like to call on parents during this long period, because normally schools open from the beginning of January. This time is like they're opening on the end of January and early February, to take care of the kids, and if possible, they should buy them some books to be reading so that they don't stray into bad behavior and hurt themselves and harm themselves.
Gati ya baraibe chikanisa bono nigo beso kiribene na boigo kobolia ababwatania bayagwe sokya na boigo gusira chisemi anene mono korwa asensemelia wose ase abana bali babwate okogania ko gosoma kulinde batabwati obokonyi gose okobwa kokwana ase chinseme cyo nigo baba bakorera buna nigo emechande menge yanyarire ko bagekonyora abana astabwati batabwati enchira yo kwenyorera chisemi ase baganire gwesokya nabo gukobwa kanira nonya ne school fees erinde kugendera kwenyorera chisemi asokwane kibuna amatuko abusio ngokonye kabale.
Nafahamu mimi mwenyewe ambaye anaweza akasema alikuwa na mali ya kutosha akajisomesha. Okay? We are somebody's creation. Mtu mwingine alijinyima, okay? Akatoa ndio sisi tukasoma. Kwa hivyo mimi wito wangu, mimi nikiwepo, hata mimi mwenyewe niko tayari kuwasaidia. Tusaidie wengine. tusaidie, tupeane, tuone ya kwamba kama tunafahamu mtoto ambaye hana uwezo na tunaweza tusimwache akae nyumbani, tusaidie.
Katika mpaka huu wetu na Uganda hatuna shule ya sekondari, hatuna shule nzuri ya primary, ili watoto namba yao imeongezeka. Hata kwa sherehe ya leo ukiangalia watoto ndio wengi kuliko watu wazima, ili wawe na msingi ulio bora kiimani na
Abantu balia bale no bolema bono nigo babulire serikali kubainyora aneno mono ase sekta y'ekisemi gukwana kurwa sensemeri ya Kiambu nigo babulire serikali kubayirira ligoliria amaliogo nabo igo kubagachira kiskuru ekyo kire ange.
Tukumbuke kimasomo. Wakati tunafanya CBC watoto walemavu wanawekwa kwa darasa moja, wanakaa miaka 5, miaka 10, mtu anakuwa mtu mzima na kwa darasa moja. Ningependa waangalie stakeholders, waangalie haya masomo, waone mlemavu anaweza kusomaji akuwe mtu mzima baadaye, mtu akujikimu kimaisha kimwenyewe.
What we are lacking is schools within our wards. Mtoto wangu anasomeanga City Primary Ngara and I live in Rimuru. So lazima niende town ndio nirudi kumpeleka shule. So if we can have these schools within our wards, penye si lazima nipeleke mtoto shule iko town, and they have facilities and they have the capabilities of therapy and wanaweza kusaidia watoto, tunaweza shukuru sana. Hizo dawa ni bei kali sana. Kama serikali tunaweza pata hizo madawa kwa bei rahisi ama bure kwa serikali, kwa government hospitals, inaweza saidia sana.
Nimechukua database ya watu wa Ngecha Tigoni ambao wako na disability, ili moving forward tutakuwa tunawafikia, tunawasaidia na nguo na chakula na madawa na mambo kama hayo. Tuweza tujue wale ambao wako na elimu, wale ambao wanahitaji wale ambao wanastahili courses, pia wale ambao wanahitaji kadi za watu ambao
Bunentere ya moyo gukinia sekta yobonjeriria bono nigo serikali ya Kenya mukiri egetambukiro eliokubuatirana ne serikali ya Germany ase okobetainse ese yogwancherana ase okoeneki obokoleri obuyana bwo kubuatirana koeneki amagenderero bakoragwa n'umurai omonene o Kenya National Chamber Commerce and Industry Richard Ngatia bakobuatirana no meya Michael Wole nigo babekire emirobiri ya bene ase okoeneki na chinse chibere ngogendera kire gukwana nabariki bamangana nigo baba bakoeneki na babire bakubika emirobiri ya bene asokweneki na obonchereri agati chinse chibere ngo chibole gokorekana asenchera yobikirano.
We have seen more than 120 companies from Germany are already here in Kenya, are already doing business here in Kenya. But of course that is not we want to see how we can be able to penetrate this market in partnership with the private sector of Bavaria and of course Germany at large.
I think that's the idea that we can deliver our knowledge in infrastructure, in common infrastructure to our partners in Kenya in municipal partnerships between Germany and Bavaria and Kenya.
Since the agreement that was signed between the two countries in 1980, how can we be able to break certain tariff barriers, and making sure that there is no double taxation when you're either exporting or importing?
Abalimi kurwa chinsemo chia Kenya bono nigo beso kiribene nabo igo kwe murunga niko bwatekana neligesa like elyo lyabere likoenekigwa okwana nabaliki bamangana nigo baba bakwerera emichando babere bagwetera chinga kicheli simekana boigo ligesa chinga kiechyo oboigo nigo bairabuna nigo embegu yababulete naboigo asensemo yoboyo nigo ligoli lyabeteli koenekigwa asekerengo kigoromono iyo kababera kongo ase ogosimeka asenchera endonge kolende nigo babulire serikali anemo no koenekinga sekta y'obulimi naboigo abalimi bonsi ngo konyeka bale anemo no ase kubeka emirobiri ya bene naboigo koeneki amatuko abosio endagera nekigo isana asense icho ya Kenya.
mavuno ya mwaka uliopita wa 2022 hayakuwa mazuri sana kwa wakulima wa eneo hili. Kisia katika ripoti yangu ambayo nimeandika, tumeona imeenda chini kwa 15%. Hasa mahindi 15% ya magunia ambayo tulikuwa tunatarajia kupata hatukupata mwaka huo wa 2022.
Kwanza fertilizer ilikuwa juu, kwa hivyo hata hatungeweza kuweka fertilizer vile inastahili. Pia mbegu ilikuwa juu, kwa hivyo tukafinyika kidogo. Alafu mvua nayo haikutufavor, kwa hivyo mwanzo mvua ikapotea, kwa hivyo chakula haikufanya vizuri.
Tungetaka serikali angalau waone vile tumefinyika, wapunguze bei ya mbegu, ya mbolea na hata ya madawa ili inalingana na ukulima.
We have raised the concern because our farmers are sleeping and staying, and there is a lot of wastage in terms of blacking ground for teas in the buying centers, and the directors of KTDA Mamul and the KTDA fraternity, that they wake up and build and construct a new factory.
Bunentere Eyemo yokurwania obukurumi na bwegokwane kibuna Kenya ngosukere bosyo nigo ensemo y'abarayi kurwase edini yege Islamu besokiri bene nabo kwa engana okoboko yogosangirirwa kwebango okwana nigo babuliriye serikali kubeka emiroberi ya bene hasokwane kibuna ngotanga bale abakurumi ababere bakoira kibesa chibango.
Ushuru muhimu katika nchi, hakuna nchi ambayo yaendelea bila ya kulipa ushuru. Lakini himizo letu ni kwamba ushuru unaolipwa upendelea huo utatumika katika yale ambayo yamekusudiwa. Na serikali ifanye bidii kuziba ile mianya ambayo inatoa nafasi wa huo ushuru kuingia katika mifuko ya watu. Kuanzia wale wanaokusanya mpaka wale wanaopewa mpaka wale ambao sasa wamefika mahala kwamba watoe zile huduma lakini huduma ikawa hazipatikani.
Kwetu sisi kama viongozi wa dini na wenzangu, si wa Kiislamu wala si wale madhehebu wengine, tunatakana kila wakati tuweze kuwa karibu kuitangaza amani katika nchi yetu, ushikamano, ili tuweze kupata nchi ambayo imestawi kwa sababu ya amani yake.
Chinga kecho boigoni go baburirie abakenya wetanga korwase siasa ejo kiranyare kubagana abakenya gukwana nigo bene kibuna nigo siasa ejo kiranyare ko bachikwirani amagendero magega asebagania abakenya ko bwaterana bagokoene ki Ensa ya Kenya ngosikere bosyo.
Kama mufti mkuu wa nchi hii, tamaduni yetu sisi kama Wakenya kisiasa haipendezi. Tumekuwa watu tukila tunakula siasa, tukinywa tunakunywa siasa, tukivaa tunavaa siasa, tukilala tunalala siasa, tukiamka tunaamka siasa. Hii haiwezi kutujongeza mbele kimaendeleo kama Wakenya. Niombe sana viongozi wa kisiasa wa upinzani, niwaombe mumpeni nafasi stahili Mheshimiwa Rais na serikali yake, wapate kuwafanyia Wakenya ambayo kwamba wamewaahidi kuyafanyia na ambayo Wakenya wanatarajiwa kufanyiwa na wao.
Habarayi korwase kaunti ya Turkana abono nigo baburirie serikali enene kubagurira abasibwa chi uniform asekiri bateba buna nigo babutara enusu getirienda gukwana Lilian Ekamai nigo ane kibuna eyoma mincha yeli chiko ase agani getambukiro kyabwango koimukigwa anigo ane kigwa chinga kibatalira Lodwa prisons ase baba kubwatrana no Women Republic County ya Turkana.
Nyinyi ambayo mko karibu na serikali, ni lazima mjue hii uniform inatolewa kwa namna gani. Ndio before sisi wengine tuweze kuingilia kati. Unaweza ingilia na pengine ni kazi ya serikali, tena nitakuwa mfungo kama nyinyi. Lazima tuende na sheria, tujue ni nini hiyo inaendelea. Hawa watu wanapata hii mafasi kwa namna gani. Nimeelezea issue, jaribu kuchunguza, na kama itakuwa ngumu niko tayari kutoa hiyo info. wakubwa wa prison. Sijaelewa mambo ya uniform. Hii uniform, mimi nilifikiria serikali inafaa kushona uniform. Ni serikali. Hiyo ni kazi yangu, inaitwa representation. Nitaenda kuongea kwa sauti yote kwamba wafungwa wa Lodwar wanatembea bila uniform. Na sio maajabu kuna mtu anakula pesa ya uniform ya wafungwa. Alafu mimi kama women rep na ile rasilimali kidogo itapatikana, atikuliko kupeleka mtoto yatima shule ni kuja kushona uniform hapa. Hapana, lazima tujue uniform ilipita wapi.
Mwancho mulie na sensemo ye chigosori nigo chigosori chakorekana ase egetigia Awendo Green Stadium egati ya Mara Sugar na boigo Shabana nigo yabake goikora Mara Sugar ase egoli Eyemo ase enotiti atosa sensemo ya kabiri studio tumanya na kichigosori chakorekana.
Kwa Francis Sebi, coach Mara Sugar. Tumemaliza game leo, tumeshindwa. Ambayo ni saa zingine ni game huwa hivyo. Saa zingine unashinda, saa zingine unashindwa ama una draw. So tunakubali matokeo. Nafikiri inatupatia muda wa kujiandaa kwa game ambayo inakuja mbele yetu. Jana wamecheza vizuri, wamepoteza chances. Hiyo ni challenge na huwa kinafanyika. Nafikiri tuna muda kidogo wa kurekebisha hiyo ili katika game inayokuja Wednesday tupate kama tuko tayari kabisa ili tujaribu tupate kuconvert hizo chances ambazo tunapoteza.
Kwa majina ni Sami Shabana, head coach. Game ya leo imekuwa nzuri, though tujacheza vizuri kwa sababu ni siku chache tu tumefanya mazoezi, but imekuwa nzuri kwetu kwa sababu tumepata ushindi. Haijakuwa rahisi, Mara ni timu ngumu, wamejikaza tu zaidi, but si pia nao ile experience kidogo, na planning yetu imekuwa nzuri na succeed. Next match iko soon sana, tunacheza on Wednesday against Mwatate. So tuko bado na siku chache ya kuprepare. God willing, tunataka tujikaze tena to win hiyo game. Tunacheza home.
Mwancho murigeria korwa sorbo tioroni wanaikire omweli obwa mangana maya asebrebiga kurende to basa guskato basa konyegera gikoraga chinsa isato ayona mange no nyara sinchira yobikira nubuno koleterwa nere John Kebati kwende nyara chinsa mochiche mitandao asense ya Facebook na bagotonyara witra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sense ya YouTube na bagotonyara witra Ndizi TV News asense ya website na bagotonyara witra www.ndizitv.or.ke Magech kamera soko nikibna ebicha na boigo eliogire wikera sura senchira ya bene nere Petronira Mukira tobe tokubwatenere Joshua Auta astinse mochi biorkelio na incheria ne Frida kerubongo kuganelia